Hello YouTube. We're going to do an unboxing. Magick delivered quarterly. Now I have temporarily suspended my subscription, so this is the last box in my current subscription, and we're going to see if they're going to bring me back. I feel like I kind of overdid it with the self-care box subscriptions, but let's see how I feel. We're going to check it out. All right. A big reveal. What have we got? I don't remember what the theme was. I may never have known. The theme was to unfog your future. Let me pull this to the side. Clear your mind. Unfog your future. Are you in the beyond? Oh, no, that's a spoiler. We're not going to look at that card. Okay, so we seem to be in a divination theme. This might bring me back. All right, notes. Tea reading at Madame P's. Pick tea, loose leaf, dry oolong. Oh, okay, so it's just like notes to self. All right, that's pretty cute. I guess I'll read the whole thing. Be mindful of cup orientation. Handle to the right. Butterfly success and pleasure. Candle enlightenment. Oh, I see. These are our, I think. Oh, okay. All right. I'm wondering if I'm getting a cup in here. All right. We got The Art of Dazzling Divination by Professor Lunar. Okay, so I'm going to guess that this is a journal. I wish I had my other one. I could just pull it over here because I had the plants one had mushrooms, and I'm currently using that one. So actually, this is a really nice journal, and I'm toying with using this for my. So I play video games. Well, I play lots of games, Dungeons and Dragons, and I was considering dedicating a journal to taking notes of when I use divination techniques for gaming, like when I pull cards, my tarot cards, and things like that. So I might actually dedicate this to my gaming adventures. All right, let's see what else we've got. Oh, this is such a pretty decaf English breakfast tea. Interesting that they chose decaf. All right, good for any time of day then. But I love this. I had, oh, it's plastic. I got a collection of teas once that was like this. They were glass, but this is a little safer. I love this. I do like oolong tea. All right, so as usual, you get, well, normally you get a t-shirt in these boxes. Oh, lovely. So it says Seer on the front. And let's see what we've got on the back. And I have to zoom out so we can get this whole thing. Oh, it's a little bit trippy with that typeface. It says, Madam Burke's Tea Shop presents Divination After Dark. Okay, well, that makes sense. We do need the decaf oolong. Let me take the book out from underneath, and that lays better. That's nice. That is a nice t-shirt. Okay. Well, I'll have to wear it over something at this time of year. I'm opening this in December 2023. Let's see what else we've got. Did I get a second t-shirt? Okay, this is, oh, look what, okay. I'm getting the full ASMR with my unboxing here. Oh, look at this cute pen. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Nice. Very nice. I assume it's black. Oh, it's really like packed up. It's got, there we go. Had a thing so you couldn't click. Nice. Oh, it's got a light. Did I just see a light? I thought I saw a light. Yes, yes I did. Oh my gosh. You cannot fully appreciate this because, let me see if I can turn lights up and you can see it. Okay, we'll experiment here. Put the blinds down, turning off my lights. Do you see this? All right, that's awesome. It's not focusing. I can understand why, because the light. That's very, very cool. That is extraordinary. All right, let's turn our lighting back on. You're getting the full psychedelic show here. Okay. Ta-da! That's awesome. Okay, that he hit it out of the park on that one. Okay, now what is this? And how can I open it? Here we go. So much plastic. Okay, whatever it is, it's very soft. By the way, the t-shirt is soft. I have, how many of these t-shirts do I have? 4, I think. And they're all soft and they wear really well. Of course, I don't dry my t-shirts in the dryer. I'm sure that helps. Oh, cool. It's a pillowcase. And it says, "Let me sleep. I'm divining the future." Nice. Very nice. Let me see if I can put my hands on my deck that I can use with this. Okay. Maybe over by my bed. Nope, I can't put my hands on it. I have a Sweet Dreams Oracle deck. Then I talk about that Sweet Dreams Oracle deck in a deck collection video about minis. I'll link that down below so you can see that deck if you want to. This is super fun. It's pretty soft too. I wonder if it says what it's made of. Let's see if we've got any kind of fabric. It's lined. 100% polyester. All right, but not bad. It doesn't feel bad for polyester. Put that to the side. Let's see what else we've got in here. All right, as always, the packaging is almost as good as what's inside. Let's really appreciate this. Is it an 8-ball? It's the inner eye. I love this Groovies 60s. Psychedelic, baby. I was around in the 60s. I remember that. Okay. It is the inner eye. It's kind of cheap. It's yeah. But that's okay. They were cheap, the originals. Let's see what we get. Let's ask a question. Am I going to resubscribe to Magick Delivered? Let's find out. It says, "Ask the centaurs." Oh, Lord, I have to go into the dark forest on this one? I mean, the Forbidden Forest? Maybe I could just catch them at the lake while they're having a snack. All right. We're not getting a clear answer on that one. And we've got more. There's more. All right. And again, as I said, the packaging with these people is awesome. We've got Ursula Black's Magick Ceramics. Highest quality cups and saucers. London, Hamburg, Hangzhou. Since 1684. That's pretty good for all your best herbal brews. I always find the term herbal brews kind of entertaining because kind of all plants are sort of herbs. Whoops, sorry about that. I didn't see that I was about to hit my camera. I'm gonna have to get my psychic abilities tuned up. All right, why does this not want to come out? Here we go, here we go. It's actually really pretty. Oh, awesome. Okay. Is there anything else in here? Yes. There is a saucer. I was going to say, no saucer, that's kind of sad. Look how it's so like old-fashioned and sweet. It is Fair Fortune Be Yours. Fair Fortune Be Yours. I have it on both of those. Okay, so now let's take a look. This card giving you. So I see the kite in here. Let me see. Do I see a crown? Candle, crown, a ship, a star, a tree. I'm going to have to spend some time with this cup. See if I can see something other than the kite. That's pretty cool. I do not do tassomancy. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know how to read tea leaves, but maybe this will inspire me to get started. So that is it. So to recap what we got in this box, which was a lot. We got this kind of cool card that I may put up on my refrigerator or something. We got a journal. which I'm probably going to use for video game notes, because I've got enough Dungeon and Dragon journal already. We got this super cool t-shirt. Here's the back, and on the front, Seer. Definitely could wear that on camera. And this cool pillowcase. Oops, it's upside down. Sorry about that. The joy of unboxing. Let me sleep. I'm divining the future. I love that. We've got the inner eye. Let's pull another one. Okay, you ask a question. Answers for the community. And your answer is, come on. You have the Grim. Oh dear. We got a nice little teacup. It is metallic, so you can't put it in the dishwasher. Did I forget anything? I think I got it all. Yeah, and our notes on reading tea. Oh no, the pen. This amazing pen that tickled my fancy because it lights up. Ta-da! That's very cool. All right, thanks for watching. I do unboxings, I do tarot cards, oracle cards, and the occasional gaming stream. Take care, have a good day, and I hope that your future is bright.